Hey, to edit slow motion videos on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, first you have to open the gallery and open your video. So in my case, it's just right here. And now I have to click on this button. From this, I will actually recommend you to rotate your screen so it will be a little bit easier to edit this one. And as you can see from this, we can actually change this slow motion moment. So let's say that I want to get slow motion from this part, and I want to finish my slow motion just right here. And now I want to actually remove this first seconds of the video. I want to start from this actually, yeah, like this, and I want to finish maybe like a few seconds after it falls on my surface. So now if I want to finish, I have to click save. I can save as a copy, for example, and get this original back. And now let's see, there we go. So this is my edited slow motion video, and this is the original. This one actually, it's around 13 seconds, but this one's only around 2, and I've got my key slow motion moment. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.